Dear colleagues, greetings of the day. This video is to sensitize you all about the use of Google Sheets for recording attendance and internal awards of your students. So let us see how we can do that. I hope the screen is visible to you. So let us have a look on this. This is the sheet where you will record the attendance. These three columns will be pre-filled and you will not be able to change anything about this and you don't worry too about that. What you need to do is just go to your ERP login and download your attendance register of that particular day. Then after making sure that this sequence and the sequence of the register downloaded from ERP portal matches with each other, you need to paste that attendance record into date wise column on daily basis. Thus just keep on pasting from ERP. This will help you maintain the record both in ERP and as well as in this Google Sheet. Second sheet here is second tab in this sheet is regarding internals. So column A to column G will be pre-filled and they will be locked column. You don't need to change anything in these columns. What you need to do is actually you need to enter MST1 marks after evaluation of MST1 and MST2 marks after evaluation of MST2. Third is assignment part, which may be in your case assignments or certification, online certification, or a class test, which may be applicable in your institute or in your subject. According to that, you need to record the performance of the students in respective tests or assignments. Number may vary. If it is assignment, it will be restricted to 3. If it is test, then it will go on. It will be intimated to you through due course of time. Otherwise, assignment will be there. Then next tab is instruction plan. Instruction plan, this has already been shared with you. You need to paste your instruction plan or lesson plan into this and you need to daily update this instruction plan with actual delivery date on daily basis. One thing more, you need to add here at the bottom of the list the topic covered on that particular day. So this is all you need to do with this sheet as a subject teacher. Second thing, you may be a class in charge and as a class in charge you need to observe an additional sheet which will be this overall sheet, attendance sheet. It will fetch the data from individual subject sheets and record over here. So you can monitor which student is falling short of attendance in which subject. So timely you can intimate their parents or counsel the students as and whatever is required at the moment. Secondly, this sheet contains the record of internals. So for your class, all the subjects have been enlisted here and it will fetch the data from individual subject sheet and at the end you will have all the subjects with their complete internal awards updated by the subject teachers. So need to take follow-up from the subject teachers so that the timely record keeping can be assured at the end of subject teachers. So with this, we are concluding this video. We will meet in next video. Thank you.